Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put negative number 2 go to the right. Next, I will put this one go to the left, the S and S go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, I will consider about this one. So, negative 3y we can put into negative y, negative 2y. Y and y we can do about factorization. This one by negative number 2. Now, we can do another factorization by y minus 1. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put a over y minus number 2, b over y minus number 1. Later that, we do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about y minus 1. So capital 8 multiplied by y minus 1. About this one, it is missing about y minus number 2. So capital B multiplied by y minus number 2. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of y. About y, we have a and b. About the numbers, we have negative a, negative 2b. So we have capital A multiplied by negative number 1 and capital B multiplied by negative number 2. Now we need to compare coefficient. We just have only number 1. That means this one equals to number 1. We don't have y, so a plus b equals to number 0. And now we create the system of equations. Now we need to find the solutions of A and B. So A equals to number 1, B equals to negative number 1. So we put this one go in here. So A equals to number 1, B equals to negative number 1. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of y minus number 2. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of y minus 1. And I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, we change by this one. This one, we have ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. That is the end. Thank you for watching.